So guys, we have reached our destination for the treasure hunt. I'll be the host for this treasure hunt. So, can you please pan the camera towards Shahrukh? So Shahrukh,
Yes.
are you excited?
Yes.
Okay, so what are you going to hunt today?
We are going to hunt dinosaur eggs.
Dinosaur egg? Do you really find dinosaurs here?
Yes.
How come? Do you know there were dinosaurs here
Yes.
many
No.
millions of years ago?
Yes.
Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Which dinosaur do you like? Tyrannosaurus, Raptor. Which one?
T-Rex.
Okay. Chavez?
Hmm?
Which one do you like? Which dinosaur?
T-Rex. Huh?
T-Rex. Huh? Okay. Shahzain? Which dinosaur will you like? Do you like? Which one? Huh?
Yeah. Small baby.
Small baby dinosaur. Okay. 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 So finally we are reaching our destination in 2 minutes. Once we reach there, we will have a proper idea. Okay. Shahrukh, see this location. How is this?
This is the
What are you both searching, Shahrukh, Chavez? Which clue? For the treasure. Where will you get those clues? Which side? Chavez, did you found the clue? Okay. Let's go. To find the clues again. How many clues did you find, Chavez? कितने 5 clues? Chavez, आपको कितने मिले? Only 4 clues. 3. Okay, guys, so we have reached the location for the treasure hunt,
Yes.
and I am with Shahrukh and Chavez.
Yes.
Chavez, say hi.
Hi.
So Shahrukh and Chavez, are you both ready for the treasure hunt?
Yes.
So do you know where the clues are? Do you know where to search?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any map? No map? Okay. So don't worry, we will figure it out. So let's go. Come on. So Shahrukh, where do you want to go? North, south, east, west? So what is that? That if the sun is here, okay, then that's east, then that should be west. Let's go to the west. Come on, Chavez. Shahrukh, come here. Let's go from here. Wait. Come from here. Here. Okay. Let's go from here. Yeah, why is it all? Everything's burnt here. Even the stones. See? Can you see that? Let's come from here, Shahrukh. Okay. Where? Where is it?
I don't know.
Where is the clue, Shahrukh? Shabbes? कहाँ पे है clue? Where is the clue?
I don't know.
Did you search it? Come on, search. Where? Inside the trees. वहाँ पर नहीं है. Shabbes. Shahrukh.
Daddy, I found it there.
Where?
There.
Come on. You got the clue. शावेज किसको दिखाता बेटे क्लू पहले वो
Me.
आपको या शाहरुख को ओके
I got it first clue.
ओके सो द क्लू इज पॉइंटिंग दैट साइड दैट इज साउथ शैल वी गो देयर
Yes.
चलें
हाँ.
चलो
पानी होना.
पानी चाहिए
हाँ.
okay let's find this clue and then we can rest for some time so Shahrukh
I know one clue.
Shahrukh, you have to be slow and careful. There are snakes here. And Shahrukh, there are deers, leopards,
Yes.
bears, and other wild animals as well.
Lion, tiger.
So you have to be very careful here. Okay? Did you ever spot a deer here? Shahrukh? Wait. I told you you have to be careful. रुक जाओ.
I can see the one clue.
Where? Wait. I told you you have to be careful. Shahrukh. Hey guys, so Shabez has found the second clue. Okay, Shabez has got the second clue. Okay. So where was it pointing? Towards west again. Okay, we have to go back again. Come on, Shabez. Let's go back. But Shahrukh,
Yes.
you have to check every corner, every point for the clue. Okay? There. But it's completely blocked with trees and branches. How will you go there, Shahrukh? Shabez, how will you go there?
I can use my multi-tool.
Your multi-tool?
Yes.
Which one?
This gold.
Okay. Shabez, come here. Your brother has got something. See? What is that, Shahrukh?
This is my own multi-tool.
Your multi-tool. Okay.
This is a cutting blade.
Okay. Can you cut branches with that?
Yes.
How? To show it.
I'm
What are you doing, Shahrukh?
showing you this.
What is that?
This is Ari.
Ari. Okay. That's in Hindi.
Yes.
What do you call it in English? What's called? It's called a blade.
Oh. Yes.
Hey, be careful. Come on. Let's go. We'll go there.
Daddy, Pani. Pani. So guys, we should go from here.
Okay.
Whoa.
Be careful, Shahrukh. Chavez. Okay, we are here in a dense forest. Okay, Chavez, you have to be very careful. Come on, Chavez, you have to be very careful. Come on.
Not there.
Wait. See, there is the clue. Okay, the green, right? So Chavez, you have to be very careful. Remove the trees first. Cut the branches. Shahrukh, cut them. Make some way. Okay, move. What are you cutting, Chavez? You have to cut this tree to make the way. Huh? Careful, careful. I told you have to cut all these trees. Okay, where is the clue? Show me.
We found it.
Okay. So it was pointing north again. Or is it the south? Where? Okay, you actually have to run, Shahrukh. I saw something there. There in the trees. Don't go there. It could be a leopard or a jaguar. This is a forest, Shahrukh. Come on, Chavez. Let's go.
Come.
Let's go. Let's go back to find the other clue.
Mama.
Shahrukh, come from here. Let's go from here.
Okay.
Come on, Chavez. Follow your brother. Go. So the next clue is the final clue, right?
Yes.
Okay, duck. Duck and go. Bend. Okay. Watch your head, Shahrukh. Watch your head. Okay, come on, Chavez. Let's go, come on. Come on. Okay. What happened, Chavez? You're trapped? Come from me. Come on, go. Come on, run. Shahrukh, run. From the right. Right side, right side. We came from that way. There. There. Yes. Come on, Chavez. North is there on the left. Guys, looks like Shahrukh has found the last clue. Is there? Let's go there. So guys, even Shahzain has joined us. Oh, he fell down. Come on, Shahzain, get up. Did you find it, Shahrukh? Where is it? You found a dinosaur egg?
Yes.
Move, Chavez.
And I found one clue.
Oh my god. Okay, what does the clue say? What to do with those eggs? Huh?
You can pop this.
Wait. First check if there is something in those. Did you check?
You can pop.
Okay. Try popping it.
Okay, shall we pop?
Oh!
Whoa.
What is that, Shahrukh?
Second one also pop.
Pop the second one as well.
Oh my god. Tear this.
Be careful. There might be a Tyrannosaurus. Shahrukh, what did you find?
This is not dinosaur egg.
This is not dinosaur eggs.
This was a treasure.
That's treasure. What did you find, Shahrukh?
Silver coins.
Silver coins. Oh my god. Show me.
Found Travis. Oh my.
Oh my god, Chavez has gold.
Oh.
Chavez? Let me see.
Boy.
Oh my god, Chavez has got gold. And Shahrukh has got coins. See?
One.
These are ancient coins. Check these, guys. Check those markings. These are ancient coins. Oh, Shahrukh.
Whoa.
That's a tiger on that. See? And
Yes.
Shazin? So did you find the treasure, Shahrukh? Chavez?
Yes.
Okay, Chavez found gold and Shahrukh found silver coins. Those are ancient coins. And Shazin, what did you find? आपको क्या मिला? Chocolate. Okay. So, Shahrukh,